So at Treasury Wine Estates, we believe in corporate social responsibility. One of our guiding principles to that end is to use as little as we need, as efficiently as we can. The Asti Winery is a great example of blending new technologies in a historic facility. Really is walking that tightrope between maintaining the historic aspects, but also having an efficient winery. The challenge for us is keeping that history and keeping that generational story, but at the same time utilising a lot of the latest technologies that we can.
Asti Winery was founded in 1881, originally as the Italian Swiss colony. It was founded originally as an agricultural colony and morphed into a winery. As you walk through the historic buildings, you'll see the original winery from 1887, and right across the alleyway, there's a state-of-the-art building that was built with the Savings by Design program in 2006. Energy efficiency at Asti Winery has involved a lot of retrofit in terms of lighting, in terms of our cooling systems. Anywhere that we could find an opportunity to do something to improve our energy efficiency, PG&E has worked with us to help us improve those areas.
We had PG&E come in and do a lighting study of the entire plant. And then from that, we went back and retrofitted almost all of the buildings to modern high bay energy efficient lighting. We have 3 different refrigeration systems here at Asti Winery. We have modernized most of the controls. We have what's called floating head pressure. It is basically the computer that drives the whole system is seeking the most energy efficient operation for the particular outside temperature, the wine temperature, the different variables. When we decided to add solar, we looked at all of the different buildings, some of the older concrete and wood structure buildings. We had to go in, do extensive studies to determine if they could bear the weight of the solar. There had to be some extra bracing put in a few of the buildings.
In each of the build-outs over the last decade, we've done the Savings by Design program with PG&E. Step by step, we walk through the program with them of what we're going to be putting in, and they're able to advise us on the most energy efficient piece of equipment, whether it's lighting, whether it's refrigeration, for example, insulation, the tank insulations. And this has culminated in over $500,000 in rebates through these programs as well over the last decade. To be able to work amongst these buildings, we understand what they mean to us and to our history, to our legacies, to what got us here, to be able to stand on the shoulders of the greats, and these buildings are part of that. To people who are buying wine nowadays, they want to be a part of the history, they want to feel that, they want to come to your winery and understand where your legacy's from.
I would certainly encourage any wineries that have older buildings, if they can retain them and reuse them, to do so. It just adds to your legacy, your history, and your pride.